How to use Best Buy trading program. To do so, you can use their online estimator to check your device's value, back up your data, and remove personal accounts. Bring the device and accessories to a store for inspection. So first, you'll have to get the estimate. Use the Best Buy trade-in estimator online. So you can head into your web and you can search in Best Buy trade-in estimator this way, and you can see online estimator. You can tap on it and you can proceed to select your product, and so you can see value estimator, right? You want to select the product, whether it is cell phones, tablets, or such. Then select the phone brand, whether it is Apple, Asus, Android, or such. So I'll select Apple here for now, and then select the phone model. Now I have iPhone 13, so I'll just select iPhone 13 here for now. It's iPhone 13 128 GB. And then here you want to select condition, whether there is proper power and display, is the customer able to unlock the device, and if Find My Service phone lock is disabled, Find My iPhone Smart Things, Find My Device, is this device carrier locked or not, so that way. And then you can tap on Get Estimate and you'll be able to see the estimate here this way. And then you can visit the in-store and submit your device. To receive an immediate inspection and gift card, you can use a prepaid shipping label provided by Best Buy to send your item as well. Once verified, you'll receive a Best Buy electronic gift card for the value of a device which does not expire. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.